Your new home awaits at Mallard Meadows. Embrace slower-paced living and small-town charm in Ellensburg. Explore the beautiful Mountain View Park nearby and an abundance of outdoor recreational activities. Live close to downtown amenities. Visit the variety of restaurants and unique gift shops. Discover your next favorite read at the Ellensburg Public Library. Find higher education inside the prestigious Central Washington University. At Mallard Meadows, you'll be surrounded by a serene landscape. Enjoy a community playground and large backyards. Choose from 6 floor plans in these 1 to 2 story homes with up to 2,535 square feet of living space and 2 and 3 car garage options. Every floor plan presents an open concept design, ideal for entertaining. Modern kitchens boast stainless steel appliances and slab countertops. And all homes include air conditioning and smart home technology. Other floor plans include spacious primary bedroom suites, a flexible loft space, and outdoor patio access. With the variety of unique features and layouts, you can find the ideal home for your lifestyle. You'll love this vibrant community. Whatever your vibe, the home of your dreams is waiting for you right here. Call and schedule a tour at Mallard Meadows today at 509-652-2443.